All right, number 2. 2 units of length used in ancient Egypt were cubits and palms, where 1 cubit is equivalent to 7 palms. The Great Sphinx statue in Giza is approximately 140 cubits long, which are the following best approximates the length in palms of the Great Sphinx statue. Okay, so what we have here is gonna be the so they tell us the unit here. We have 1 cubit is equivalent to 7 palms. So that's the 2 units that we're dealing with. And they told us that the statue is actually 140 cubits long, right? We want to know the length in palms. So this question here is a unit conversion that we have to do. So we could just go ahead and set up a proportion, right? We know 1 cubit is equivalent to 7 palms. Right? 1 cubit equals 7 palms. So you can say this is equal to, on this side, we know statue is 140 cubic. Right? I'm just including units here so that we will see how we line things up. Right? And we want to know how many palms this is. So we'll say this is X palms. Right? That's what we're trying to solve. Okay. And we actually solve this, we don't have to include a unit. We can just say it's 1/7 equal to 140 over X. Okay, or 7 equal to 140 over X. So when we set up proportion, it is important to make sure that the unit had to line up correctly, right, on both sides. And then we can solve for X. So to solve this, we can just go and start with a cross multiply. Okay, so cross them over like diagonally, and then multiply this out. So 1 times X is X. And then the other cross we multiply, you can type in the calculator. 140 times 7 is equal to 980. Okay, X is 980, and that will be our final answer, which is letter D for this question.